Folks, ssjpacman here, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be talking about altcoins, focusing in on DISTRICT0X, and talking about what's just kind of going on with my personal investments. So let's get right into it. So today, Bitcoin's down a little bit, 7%, almost 8%. Ethereum is down a little bit from yesterday, but it's still way up over the last week, week and a half. It's just been going up like crazy. So Ethereum has claimed the second spot for top market cap again, which is good to see. Ripple kind of hanging out around 250. I think it pushed up to $3-4, and then it's just been really getting its butt kicked. If you were interested in buying Ripple, now would probably be a pretty good time for it. Yeah, it was way up here at $3.81. So it's down $1.30 from its high, and then a couple of weeks back it was at $2.50. So this is probably a good time to buy. That's what it peaked at, and then it went back down to $2.30, $2.20. Now it's back up at 365, or went back up to 365, 380, back down to 3, back down to 232. So it's probably starting to find some legs again. And you can start to see the volume starting to go back up on people buying it. You can see the trends with the volume matching the spikes. So it looks like it's starting to uptrend right around now. Hard to say if it'll continue, but if you're thinking about buying Ripple, that wouldn't be a bad time with it being at 26% down. Bitcoin Cash has just been hanging out, has not done really anything in the last month, maybe two. Cardano has kind of been stagnating a little bit as well. It's going down. It was all the way at $1.20. I personally don't know if I'd buy any Cardano. I haven't looked too much into their platform. I did the limited amount that I did. I didn't think that it was anything special. So, you know, I'm not a huge proponent of it. It's got a lot of coins, as you can see here. It's got a lot of coins like Ripple. You know, these are billions of coins. There'll never be that many coins for Bitcoin or Ethereum, so I'm not sure. Ripple at least burns their coins. I don't know what Cardano does. It's a lot of coins, so that's why their market cap's so high.
Auto shutdown initiated.
So let's take a look here. Litecoin seems to be trending down with Bitcoin. Stellar, it hasn't gone down too bad today, but today's kind of a down day for everybody. I know some people are talking about Tron going up big time. Somebody was saying that Tron's going to be like $100 in a year, so take that as you will. I have not looked into the program or the product, so I have no idea. Neo's been holding this $100 range, though. It seems like it has pretty much solidified that. Monero, not really down, but not really up. You can see it's spiked. Oh, that's Bitcoin. I'm sorry. Let's see what it's at right now. Last month. So yeah, not really down, not really up for the last month.
Powering off.
So what else we got here? Roblox, I see that it's been falling. It was shooting up like a rocket. If you've looked into Roblox at all, maybe you can tell me what it's about, but I have not checked out this program. It seems to come out of left field. From what I can tell, it's been around since March of 17, so it's not super short, but it just like spiked out of nowhere. This is November 30th, so yeah, like literally just over a month ago it just started spiking. I keep looking at it, but I have not even checked out their website. I got a feeling that Verge is going to start pushing up. It's been sideways for a while. Yeah, it might even go down a little bit. Shoot, I didn't realize it was that short ago that it really jumped up. But I got a feeling that Verge is going to start going back up, but that's another one of those billion coins out there. I feel like they're just putting out so many coins so they can get their name on the market cap. I was looking at this one the other day. It's just so many coins again. But I mean, it's been going up hundreds of percent. If I had picked this up, just 3 days ago, I mean, it's just the same. Well, let's go check out the last couple ones that I own, and we'll move on to DISTRICT0X. Golem holding out that dollar. Today was a pretty good day for salt. Salt's up 11.5%. It was up a little higher than that even earlier. Where's Funfair? Funfair is back up. It was down this morning, but it's back up to, as far as I know, it's all-time high. Yeah, that's all-time high. So that's pretty cool. Digital Note. I was looking at this one the other day. It at least doesn't have quite the trillions upon trillions of coins, but it still has a lot of coins. Monocoin is a good looking one in my opinion. This is a pretty decent looking chart. It was, yeah, this is a good looking chart. Let's go back to 3 months. So you can see 3 months ago, or a month and a half ago, not even quite a month and a half ago, was at its all-time highest spike of $16. Right now it's down at 8. It looks like it's starting to gain some support back. We're starting to see that starting to trend back upward. And it doesn't have that many coins. I believe that Monocoin runs on the same as Monero. I believe Monocoin and Monero both are mined the same way. Let me check that out. But anyhow, we'll get into that. So DISTRICT0X. DISTRICT0X, I really like the way this chart looks. You can see that they've only been around since August, but they were way up at 25 cents in August. And now they're back up at 34 cents, but they went down pretty heavily over the last week or so. I was looking at everything that went down more than 17%. So yesterday, when I was looking at this, was right around here. It was all the way down at 27. So it's up for the day. Well, not quite. It's up in BTC, but not quite for the day. But it was down like 17% yesterday. So I thought it was an interesting looking one. And because it was so high a while back, there's got to be people. There's got to be people holding this coin from back here. So I got to expect that some people are in this for the long haul. So I checked out their website today. So here it is. Whole lot of hoopla in here that didn't really say a whole lot. Network of decentralized markets and communities to create and operate, governed, powered by Ethereum, Argon, IPFS. I don't know what IPFS is, but what are districts? Districts are marketplaces and communities that exist as decentralized autonomous organizations on DISTRICT0X network. All internet citizens will be able to deploy districts free of charge forever. All districts possess the following core functionalities: posting listings, searching, filtering, ranking, reputation, and placement invoicing. And so it all runs through their coin network. And so it just basically allows you to have a marketplace for whatever your product is that the transactions are done by DISTRICT0X. So they're basically trying to have products and a coin. So it seems like if they get some actual people to sign on to this might not be a bad deal. These are the people that they have right now. These two guys, as far as I can see. If we scroll down to the roadmap, you can see that down here, deploy name Bazaar and Meme Factory. That's at version 0.02, so they've done that. Now we're at 0.03 is what they're working on. The 5 new district networks. But it seems like one that has the potential for going up. They are solving some of the problems that I see with digital coins, and that is a place to spend them. So this is an interesting idea. Excuse me. So I checked out Meme Factory. This is their website. They're not done. I checked out their white paper, but it was relatively brief. Basically, it was just a place for people to make memes and attach a value to them, and have some sort of rare digital asset. Whether or not that's of any value or not, I have no idea. But that's not what DISTRICT0X is about. It's about giving a place for people or companies like that to develop and grow. So it's an interesting idea. I think I'm gonna try to get some of it when I have a chance. I'm trying to remember, all the ones that I was looking at were ones that were ranked 200 or less on the market cap, or within the top 200 on the market cap, and ones that had gone down over 15%. So that's why this one caught my eye. I'm trying to find where I see what it's ranked at, but I don't see it here. I'll have to check somewhere else. Anyhow, you can get DNT on Binance, you can get it on Bittrex, you can get it on pretty much everybody has it. Gate.io. So that's DISTRICT0X. Let me know what y'all think about that. I thought it was interesting though. Close those couple out. So here you can see my Hashflare account. Pretty much ignore the dark blue bar. It doesn't really matter when you're doing reinvestments because it's not going to go up very much. What I have left over every day is what I have left over every day. So that's why it stayed pretty consistent. That's all the black or the blue bar means. My balance of that day. But the light blue bars going vertically are how much I got paid out in BTC that day. And so you can see that they're slowly but surely going up. I started under 0.4 terahashes, and now I'm at almost 0.5, or rather BTC, not the terahashes. I started with 3 terahashes, and now I'm at 3.47, so I'm just reinvesting every day. I think when I get to 4, I'm going to start taking my money out. I want to get my $450 back that I invested back out of there. And then we'll start doing reinvestments again. But so far, Hashflare has been very consistent. I like it. I'm making about $7 a day. It's almost enough now for me to do daily 4 tenths or 400ths of a terahash every day for my reinvest. So that would be pretty cool. Bitcoin Connect. Doing its thing as always. BCC is down a little bit right now. It's only at 360 from a high of like 430. You can see here that I'm up to $1,510 total actively invested. I started off with 1,010. Now I'm at oh, come on. And now I'm at 1,510. So darn near got 50% of my money back, or 50% of my original investment I've got actively reinvested into the program. It has taken me 47 days, I believe, to get to that 50% mark, so a little bit faster than 1% a day. But you gotta remember, I'm getting roughly 1% on that, 1% every day as well. So it should go a little faster, but it should just continue to get faster and faster. I can pull back up here. So BitConnect, it's so far has been a pretty tried and true program. I've been in it for almost 50 days now, and I like it a lot. It's been around for well over a year, and it seems to do what it says. Let's see what today's volatility interest will be. we got a couple of good days. So we got 129 coming in today and 144 tomorrow. So that's pretty good. You can see in the last 6 months it's averaged 0.95%, so almost 1% a day. Gotta say, pretty pleased with BitConnect. If you haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. The link will be in the description below. Aries coin down for maintenance. Let's see if it's back up yet. No, down for maintenance still. V1 coin. Well, V1 coin came back and finally put up some answers. Now we're going to have their internal exchange up soon. From what I understand, the guy who runs the site, his name is Lucas, and or something along those lines. And I guess he was having some problems with the launch for some reason or some whatever. All I know is he's communicating with people. People are starting to get some information, and the website. All my coins are back, and the internal exchange says it's going to be launching soon. So it's good news. Hopefully, I get my money back. If nothing else, if it only pays me out at $2, I'll have doubled my money. That's good enough for me, because I thought it was gone. So good to see that V1 coin is doing its thing a little bit. Exacoin, I got my money out of Exacoin a couple of days ago. It didn't seem like it was going to be going up. It seemed like it was going to be trending down, so I converted my BTC to Ethereum via their platform, and then took that Ethereum and cashed it out. But I have not received my Ethereum. If I go here to my wallet, I can see that I'm just still waiting on it. Now it says that it could take up to 48 hours. But, as you can see here, 21:47, so that would have been right about 10 o'clock at night, 9:47. We are at 7:44 right now, so in 2 hours from now I should have my Ethereum, if not, or late. And that's a little bit bullshitty. But, no real complaints other than that. Exacoin's little bot on their main page, still saying, still working, and now it actually shows last price, last AI buy, and last AI sell. So that's pretty cool. You can see that the bot traded on about $300 margin right there. So that's pretty interesting. I'm glad to see that they updated their bot. If I go back to the dashboard, website's nice and responsive. You can get all these signals if you have a whole bunch of their coin, but I don't have any coins, so none of that's important. But Exacoin, I think it's a good platform. This is one I'm going to be eager to get back in. I'm going to wait for it to go down, wait for all the initial investors to sell off their coins. They do have like a little bit of a limiting thing as far as what you can buy or sell it for. So like for instance, if I put in all here, do I have any BTC? I have BTC. Let me try some BTC. If I click all here, and then I try to bid, if I try to put bid here and I put $9 or $900, yeah, sure, buy Exacoin. It makes me put in my authentication. Anyway, I'm gonna get my authenticator pulled up real fast. It's not gonna let me do it anyway. Okay, yeah, minimum of 0.5 BTC. Let's just say 1. Not a BTC. Alright, whatever, it won't show me. But it has like a limiter. So it told me when it was at $5 that I couldn't sell it for any higher than $5. And it said the lowest that it could be sold for is $1.40. So there's some limiters in here to keep the coin from crashing or from skyrocketing too fast. Pretty sure I'm going to watch this get sold off though, and then eventually it'll perk back up. We'll see what happens on that. Let's have a look here at Binance. Of course, Binance has gone and logged me out. Hold on. Binance is always really quick to kick you out. work. Google Authenticator. Alright. So we got my Binance back up. You can see my 753 coins of fun. I got a little of this V-Chain as well, which from what I understand has been going up, but I have such a minuscule amount of it that it's pretty much pointless. But I originally put in $100 into Binance. I'm up to 157. I did have some of that, I think I had some of this DC in. And history doesn't come up. But if you haven't checked out Binance, it's an excellent exchange. Hopefully, when Bitcoin X comes out, it'll be just as good of an exchange. But so my fund's doing a good job. I'm pretty pleased about that. It says it's up 17% right now. I didn't see it being up that much, but okay. What else do I got for you? I signed up for coinexchange.io. They have a lot of coins on their website. They have just a lot of coins on their website. I think they have well over 200 coins. Is that a cannabis coin I just saw? I don't know how they call it, but yeah, as you can see, they have a lot of coins. So I wanted to get on here for some of the more obscure coins, some of the newer coins, some of the things that Binance doesn't automatically pick up. Then you can see, here's my NICEHASH account, because BTC's gone down all the way down to 14.8 right now. Holy crap, is it really at 14.8? $2,000 swings in a day. Wow. Okay. Let me refresh this. It makes me feel bad when I look at it like that. So I was all the way at $80 like 2 or 3 days ago, and I've just been hanging out at $80. But so you can see I'm up to $80 on my mining, or 0.0053 BTC. Mostly mining NeoScript still, or not NeoScript, but NIST5. I haven't really been mining anything else. As you can see, the bars are just straight flat all the way across, other than the purple for the NIST5. Really like this NIST5 algorithm. It uses about 100 watts less than NICEHASH as well, so it's been a pretty profitable algorithm for me to mine. But if you like the content today, then like it. Check out DISTRICT0X and subscribe if you're new around here. I try to do a video like this almost every day. Last week I had a little bit of computer issues. One of my hard drives was on the fritz, so I had to do a reinstall. Just didn't really have the time to get to all of this stuff while trying to get the computer back up and running perfectly and have a little time for some gaming. So anyhow, I should be back on tomorrow. Check out Coin Talk episode 8. I'll see you then.